Hello. So, plasterboard. Plaster, plaster, plaster. We've got the boards up, and of course the next step with plaster boards is to fill in the cracks between the two boards and all of the screw holes where the screws have gone up. That's what we're going to be doing. Yeah, it's like a fine kind of plaster paste, and we just like a little bit into the hole and then scrape it all away that there's no lumps or bumps or anything like that. Yeah, good for making your arms ache, and good for making it look kind of like a patch job. But once it's done, and it's actually not too bad. Not so dusty anyway. So the sun is shining and we're going back on the roof to finish off the chimneys and all that. Hello. Just coming down from the roof, finishing off the last chimneys and ventilation shafts, bending in the aluminium so that it's nicely fitting, and a little bit of insulation, and putting the kind of tops on. We've got to pick up the big extractor fan for the kitchen, and then mount that, and then the roof is pretty much done, which is a great step. Yes, a great step. Next thing on the list, that's got to go. We need the space because basically 50 meters up the garden here, we're going to be digging this whole area out to lay in the thermal ring for the heating system. And basically the hut up there is sitting on that end, so it is planned to be demolished, but we're going to have to step it up and do it sooner. That's on the list. The other thing is cleaning up in here and getting everything out so that oops, just put my finger in the cement, that's good. Getting everything cleared up here so that our plasterers can come and plaster everything, and there's nothing in the way, so all the tools we've got to sort out. Put them all down into the Technic room, because that's the one room they won't be going into. And we're just finishing off the doors, so main house door and cafe door. We've put in the concrete chipboard just to give the door more of a frame that is not flush up against the wall. And it also decreases the size of the whole opening, which is better for house door. So, and I'm going to net that now, and then we'll have that done. So, good.